Okay, what's going on? We're getting ready to head out to the garage to start some work on the RTR. All right, got the GoPro mounted to my head, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully the audio is good. We want to do some work today to the RTR. To do that, we need to move the bike out the way first, so I would start it up, but the battery's dead and I got a flat tire. So maybe I can make some motorcycle noises or insert them here. Why is this light not working? So first, got it in here, pop the hood. So the plan is to remove the hood, fenders, front bumper, take off the whole front end, because hopefully none of this will be going back on the car. But we also need to get all that stuff off of there so we can have easier access to the engine as well. I'm trying to decide if for now I'm gonna hang the hood on the wall, or maybe I should put it up top in the ceiling of the garage. I don't know, we'll see. See, that's probably most likely 15, if not it's a 13. 13. Of course, my regular 13 is missing and I gotta use the baby. So if you don't know already, this hood came off of one of our bodies in white. So this car has been hit twice in 2019, and the third time it was a delay because Ford had a back order on these hoods. So I started talking to the boys back in Charlotte, and I said, hey, we think we might have a spare one from the first gen S550 sitting down here in storage. Let's go check. And they did. It had never been prepped before, never been painted. It was still all original aluminum. So yeah, this was the first vehicle that it went on. I keep hitting myself on all this stuff. Got a bunch of stuff in here that from Gabby's car that's still for sale that I put up on Facebook Marketplace, and it's still not gone anywhere. So if you know anybody that needs junk, I have some. Let me go get Gabby real quick.
I told Kayla,
I can't remember which vehicle these are off of. It's gotta be off of a Mustang. I got a butt ton of them. Alright, well, hopefully that'll protect it and not scratch anything. So I'd be kind of pissed. The thing is actually fairly light. Where's this disconnect at? Or where's the easiest place to disconnect it, perhaps? We'll get that back later. Dang, yo. What did they put these things on there with? Fucking motherfucker. Yes. About working it. I guess that'll work. For now. Ooh. Not sure how that was, if that was supposed to go that way, but it popped out. So forget about it. You see this? These cheap ones that got it put on there by the body shop, which don't look like the stock ones, just kind of snapped. I thought all you had to do is put on shorts. It's been like 10 minutes. Well, hurry up. Ooh, so much better. So grab onto the side of the hood. Grab onto the side of the hood. I didn't say pick it up, I said grab onto it. You're not even holding on to this hood at all. How does it curve, and look how it needs to come out of there. This thing is gonna fall and go straight through that windshield. You're gonna have to push past it. Make sure it doesn't touch the paint. All right, step down. Okay. That's still on there, but it's better than what it was. Okay. I guess thank you. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is just take off everything here. We probably don't have to take off all of this stuff, but I just feel it's gonna be easier if all of that is out of the way. So I can get to any of these bolts here underneath that hold it in place. So I'll pull out the battery box too. Get this whole thing out of here. I guess I'll probably take off that, take out the radiator, front support, headlights I know are coming out. I gotta get the fenders off. See what all we can get done today. Okay, so the GoPro battery died. I don't know where it died, but one thing I was talking about that I kind of want to go back over was making sure that we do this right, that every bolt goes back into the exact same hole or onto the part that gets removed. That way we know everything goes back to where it needs to be. And then also making sure that we don't cut any corners like we did with the drift car, which is why we have to go back and rebuild it from the ground up. With that, we were just cutting and chopping out wires that we didn't need. We weren't making anything look pretty. I know that's where some of our power draw comes from. And with this being a street car and also a work car, I want to make sure everything on here goes back perfectly. So hopefully the overkill is worth it on this stuff we don't need to do. Okay, so you can see that I got the front end pulled off. We're missing the bumper. We got the core support off. We got the crash bar off as well. Headlights are out. That's about where we're gonna stop for today. Next video, I don't know. Let's take off the fenders, get out the AC condenser, radiator, start taking off the front parts of the engine. We're also going to go over what we're going to do to the vehicle, kind of what budget we're looking at, and how we're going to try and help cut some costs off of that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later.